Hello dear students and welcome back to my channel. Now many students have already applied for re-verification, but students are in confusion that how can they see or download their exam answer script. So in this video I'll tell you the steps to download your exam answer script. So students, just remember, this option is only available for those students who have applied for re-verification and paid rupees 600. First, you have to go on the official website of TGBIE, and then on the home page you can see Student Services. Click on it, and then in Student Services you may find the option Re-verification of Valued Answer Sheet. Now click on Download Answer Script to get a verification code. Then enter that verification code to download scanned copies of TS Inter re-verified answer sheets. So that code is very essential, students. It will come on your registered mobile number through which you have paid, and this option is not available for students who have applied for recounting. For them only they can see their marks, not the answer sheet. So students, if you do not get the code, it means that you have not properly applied for re-verification. So just check your application and your details. And yes, students, you can apply for re-verification and for supplementary exams, because if you don't pass in re-verification, at least you have the option to pass in supplementary exams. So it's very obvious, students, that all the results will be declared in one day only. That is for re-verification, recounting, supplementary, improvement, everything. So I just feel that TGBI board has been insensitive towards students. First, they pressurize teachers to complete the paper correction in extremely less time. So it's very obvious that errors will occur, and now all students are worried. They're applying for recounting and re-verification, improvement as well. And they have not given different dates for recounting or re-verification. They have kept same dates for all exams. So students are pressurized to pay multiple fees. Colleges are also charging very high. For supplementary and for improvement, the fees can only be paid through college login. That means students cannot pay a limited fee. They have to pay whatever high amount the colleges are charging. Again, a huge amount goes to TGBI board. So this is a very corrupt education system that's going on.